We are happy to introduce a new tool for creating and customizing lifelike avatars, the MetaPerson Creator. With the MetaPerson Creator, you can easily generate an avatar from a single selfie and bring realism to games, VR apps, metaverse, and any 3D experience. Let's get started and explore the vast possibilities that will allow you to create your one and only unique avatar. First of all, we'd like to note that we are going to describe the desktop version of the MetaPerson Creator, so if you want to follow this tutorial, you will need a desktop computer with a browser. Subscribe to our channel to get notified about the tutorial for mobile phones that we will publish shortly. To start creating an avatar, open the MetaPerson Creator URL in your browser. Let's dive in and create the avatar. If you have a suitable selfie on your computer, you need to click on the Browse for Photo button. The dialog window will ask you to provide an image. You need a frontal image of a face of a resolution higher than 1000 x 1000. Choose the image with good lighting. When you're done, you will see the uploaded photo in the UI. Click Generate to start the avatar creation process. If the photo you'd like to turn into an avatar is on your phone, or you want to create the avatar from a fresh selfie, click on the Take a Selfie button. After that, you will see the QR code on your screen. Scan this QR code with your mobile device and follow the link extracted from the QR code. Once the link opens in your mobile browser, choose to take a selfie with your phone camera or to load an existing image. When the image is uploaded to the server, return back to your desktop instance of MetaPerson Creator and click on the Generate button. Another option will suit best for those who don't want to generate avatars from their selfies. You can simply choose one from a predefined set of example avatars. Press the Show button and the avatar will be displayed on the scene. It's time to meet the customization features of the MetaPerson Creator. The set of customization features is represented by pictograms on the right side of the avatar viewer. Let's start in order. The first section allows you to customize the outfit of your avatar. Some of the outfits are provided as a whole and are inseparable. Others can be easily combined with one another. It's worth paying attention to a feature that will make your avatar exclusive. For some types of outfits, you can create a custom print with our AI outfit generation. Choose the outfit and click on the green button at the bottom of the panel. You can select a prompt from the set of predefined ones or provide your own text description. When the outfit generation is done, it will immediately appear on your avatar. You can generate different textures for top and bottom outfits. Your avatar is originally shown on the scene with the generated haircut that was crafted from the source image. You can change the hairstyle to one of the preset ones. You can also customize the color of the haircut and customize your avatar's makeup so that everything looks exactly how you want. Please note that if you want to return your avatar to the original state, you can always click on the Reset button. Another way to customize the look of your avatar is to choose one of the available glasses. You can also tune the shape of your avatar's face to make it look perfect. For example, you can use the upper head volume and the jawline parameters to make the head shape more oval or more round. You can tune the body parameters of your avatar in the same manner. You have two options. The first is to set individual parameters, such as the waistline, neck, or shoulder proportions. The second is to set weight and height parameters and allow the MetaHuman Creator to choose appropriate body proportions. When your avatar is ready, you can export it. To make an avatar export, you will need to sign into MetaPerson Creator account. Simply provide your email address and press the Get Code button. After that, you will receive an email with a confirmation code. Copy the confirmation code to log into the MetaPerson Creator and press the Confirm button. You will be signed in, and the avatar export process will begin. In a couple of seconds, the archive with your avatar will start downloading. Your last generated avatar will be saved in your account, so you will be able to edit and export it the next time you sign it. The gallery with all your avatars will be available in future releases of the MetaPerson Creator. Now let's extract the downloaded archive and see what's inside. We can test our avatar in any 3D viewer that supports FBX format. We will use 3dviewer.net for this tutorial. Although it does not handle translucent objects correctly, the model looks great. The MetaPerson Creator was originally designed so that it can be easily integrated into your project. Create the developer account and let the MetaPerson Creator enhance the avatar experience of your application. Integration allows you to access the model in GLB and GLTF formats in addition to the FBX. You can use the MetaPerson Creator on a variety of platforms. We provide sample projects for the most popular ones. You may find them in our official GitHub account. We also provide a mobile version of the MetaPerson Creator, which is optimized to run on mobile devices. The integration process is described in detail in our documentation. If you have any questions, you can always contact our support. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe to our channel to receive notifications about the new tutorials.